Welcome, today I am in Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and if you want to change your lock screen wallpaper, at first you have to go for the settings. Next, when you're here you have to go for the display, pick advanced and wallpaper, and right now you can go for the default wallpapers and the live wallpapers, and also for your own photos. I'm going to set up the default wallpaper. I would like to change for Earth, and I want to get this one. And then tap on the marker and click to select on the lock screen. Take a look right now. As you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.